Santa came?
Yeah.
Titus. Wait, he got a present too?
Yeah, look at Titus. 2 Titus from Santa.
What?
You mean you guys weren't naughty?
Maybe.
Silas almost cried last night.
Yeah.
Huh, Bubba?
He's got a bundle deal right there. Can I open Titus's stocking?
Hold on. Well, Titus doesn't know what to do, so he's just sitting down. Bless you, Bubby.
Titus. Look here. Titus, open the presents first. I wanna
Yeah, he's gonna be wired up.
Well, let's have something to distract him with if it's a bone. I want to open the smallest one I have. It feels like a keychain.
Oh, goodness, Titus. Is that where you're gonna sit?
Figure out a better spot to sit other than right in his lap.
Opening this, although it's not mine.
It doesn't have anything on it at all.
You look like for your picture. What is that? It's is that a bopper to you? Or what size? Connector. Oh wow. Oh, you love that, right?
Guys, let's give Titus a new coat.
A new what?
Titus, what is this? Titus, what's up with your present?
Titus, what is this?
What is this?
Titus,
Oh,
look at
you got rollerblades!
Titus got rollerblades.
What? Wait, what?
Titus, look it! You got a toy!
Rollerblades?
Yes.
Oh,
And they're red.
Okay. So I got
Silas.
I got a booklight.
A what?
A booklight.
What's that?
Now I can
Oh.
read in my bedroom.
A booklet.
Titus, watch out! I stacked all those up very nicely and used each other. This one says a journal.
Oh, I'm opening this
Oh,
one.
Silas, here. How do you have so many presents? I already unwrapped them. It says awesome jokes that every 7 minutes you know. Ha! Oh, he already knows you're turning 7. This one doesn't have a name. I got a booklight too.
Oh, I got many.
These are my presents.
Oh,
What did you get, Silas? Mini what?
rain tots.
Oh, so like what we got? Like mini? Oh, look it, we got table tennis on ping pong.
Ping pong, ping. Titus, you want the present?
So, Mommy, you just attach this to a table tennis.
This one has no name.
That's cool.
But mine was on top of that. So it might be mine.
Why do they all have no names on them?
They all have no names?
Some of them.
Oh,
Titus, what do you got?
it's toy.
Oh, okay.
I got markers.
Permanent markers. I think I got
Permanent marker? Whoa.
Now I can draw mustaches on here. I can add TV.
Sleeve.
Whoa, this is very pretty. Yeah.
Jonah.
Flip more over.
Ah.
Just get the wrong side. I'm guessing.
Great, this one too?
I'm guessing this is like a.
There's a name on that one.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm guessing it's like a skee ball set. Wait,
My gosh, Titus.
I was thinking this light that. You see a flash?
I think I was wrong. Oh no, madness pool challenge.
Oh.
I was completely wrong. What's that sound in it? Oh, probably those 2 pieces.
What is it?
So you pass it underwater, you dribble it underwater, and you.
Boys.
Okay, ready?
Never, never, never.
Malachi, you ready?
Dun, 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 dun,
It's pretty
dun.
much a basketball.
What's he have in his mouth
Put
now?
it in front. Good official morning. It is the day after Christmas. All 3 of my kids are home from school. Silas went to my mom's house last night. As you guys saw, yesterday was just a perfect day to be a kid at my house, if you ask me. So the kids, they had a great time. They got practical gifts. We didn't spend a lot of money, and they just were having the time of their life. My anxiety was very high because there was toys and presents and garbage and trash and wrapping paper and tissue and everything else that you can think of everywhere in the house. But when I asked the kids this morning how their Christmas was, they said it was the best Christmas ever, and that warmed up my heart, so that made me really happy. Silas left for my mom's house last night. He was insistent on staying the night with her, so he stayed there. I woke up this morning, got ready for work, and as I was kind of finishing up getting ready, the twins woke up and they gave me big old hugs and they said, "Happy day after Christmas, Mommy." And then they ran downstairs and started playing with their toys again. So that is that. On an average household like us, I am working today, so I am out the door already. I'm almost to work. I have a full day of work. I'm gonna go home and just get back into routine of things like, you know, cooking dinner, and well, like between Ryan and I, one of us is gonna cook dinner. I think we might have a little bit of leftover too. So that's our typical last couple of days, maybe almost a week for you guys. I think this is the last of the holiday vlogs. Sorry it was behind as far as, you know, editing going, because today's the 26th and I haven't even shown you guys my house decorated for Christmas. So we're a little bit behind, but that's the reality of working and also trying to keep up on a YouTube channel. So I just want to say, I hope you guys are, you know, making good goals for next year and have a good head on your shoulder. I wish you a very happy ending of 2022, and we'll see you guys in a couple days, if not next year. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of our content. We love and appreciate you guys always. Bye guys.